mas maraming bagay at tiwala ang bibigay sa'yo.
Who would expect? 11 points.
Oo.
Highest pointer
Saka pulot-pulot, takbo-takbo lang yan, 11 points.
Oo.
So balik tayo sa ating laro ngayon. Here's Kyle Ochavo. Bola ng EAC, kasama niya si Wilmer Oftana, Jude Bagay, Jello Loristo, and Adio Lucero as the second half starters for Arellano. Sa kabila naman, ito si CJ Libang kasama si Timac Ongotan, Maverick Vinoya, Yuan Kamay at Basti Valencia. Both teams regular starters to start off the third. And we open up our second half festivities with Yuan Kamay on that incursion.
Grabe yung tira ni Kamay doon. Diba? Quick shot.
So here comes CAC. Oftana, binabagabag ng dalawa. Oftana, dribbling, passing on the middle. Bagay, PP hit. Sabi ko sa'yo, coach ilalim ang laro nito On the seal, konting P-hit.
Nakita mo yung Sidney Lucero doon? Diba? Pass back.
Laban talaga, subok sa labas. Ni Oftana, wala. Loristo with an offensive rebound. Ochavo, balik sila sa poste dito. P-hit na naman sa ilalim for Jude Bagay. Right shoulder, good seal. P-hit sa ilalim. Walang pakialam kahit big man yung humit. Ay sa'yo, ganda ng footwork. Larong bisdak
Sanay na sanay sa laban.
4 talaga si Jude Bagay. Sentro pa nga nung high school. So P-hit dito sa ilalim against kay Libang. Yun yung mga pagka-undersize ka na big. Kailangan alam mo, yung ididiin mo yung katawan mo sa defender para protektahan yung tira.
Yung mga quick shot, pero katawan mo na. Inuna.
Bibigyan mo ng chance yung referee tumawag. So ito ngayon ang Arellano. Kamay, siya ang nagtitimon para sa kanilang koponan. Stack screen sa taas. Vinoya para sa 3. Mintes. Rebound dito ni Lucero. Lucero nagmamadali. Behind the back. Atake. Pasa na naman sa ilalim. Supalpal. Ang inabot ni Jude Bagay. Oftana para sa 3. Bakit nga naman hindi?
Threat pa rin.
Tsaka inverted yung offense nila, no, coach? Yung small forward ang pinapaposte nila. Kasi si Oftana, stretch 4.
Yes. Binaliktad nila. Ang small, pumaposte. Ang big man. Total, may mga tira rin
may
naman.
May tira sa labas. As we see a foul here on Jude Bagay. Yung kick out, yan ang kagandahan rin ngayon.
Pero ikaw, are you going to fall into that trap? Big man, palalabasin ko. Ayaw mo malit kumuha dyan. Dito ako sa ilalim.
Switch na ako doon, coach.
Switch ko rin.
Switch na ako doon. Okay, pumaposte yung Bagay. Big. Yung Bagay ang 4 sa obensa dyan.
Well,
cross matchup na yan.
It's a tricky game Siyempre, alam mo, pareho magagaling ang coach natin Chico Manabat, Gerson Cabiltes.
Unang beses ako nanood ng basketball. Nebra, tsaka kayo. Yung Ravena at nung kando pa si Kuya Bong tsaka si Glenn Cups, pumaposte parehas.
Pareho poste.
Anong gagawin mo doon? Pasa muna natin kay Aaron D. Aaron.
Frustration was clear in that Arellano halftime huddle as they struggled mightily in that first half. Gusto nyo pa ba maglaro? That was the question asked by the coaching staff to the players as they tallied 9 turnovers in that first half. Definitely proved that they were out of the rhythm in those first 2 quarters. Still, the message was far from defeatist. Ang good news, may third quarter pa tayo. Diyan tayo makakabawi, Coach Chico reminded, urging the team to regain focus and play together. With Timac Ongotan carrying much of the load in the past games, the call was clear. Hindi kaya lahat ni Timac. Tulungan nyo, Coach Chico added. The second half will test Arellano's composure, chemistry, and collective fight. Back to you, gentlemen.
Composure and chemistry. Very important right now since they're behind. Ito ang biggest lead ngayon of the ball game. Stands at 17. Pwede pandagdagan ni Jude Bagay.
Ako, babalik ako doon sa one basket at a time Siyempre, hindi mo makukuha yan.
Unti-unti?
Unti-unti lang. I mean, attack din ng attack. Siyempre, si AC General sa side ng Arellano Chiefs. They have to establish some control pagdating natin sa offense and sa transition attack nila.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Yes.
Dahan-dahan lang. Di mo naman kailangan magmadali.
Yes.
Di mo naman kakampi si Pitong Pasok yung on Jerry So ito ngayon, facing a 19-point deficit ang Arellano. Kamay swings the ball to Abiera. Bagay is in front of him. Abiera trying to size up the defense. Jump stop, pull up, mahirap na tira. Rebound, one shot, one stop para dito sa EAC. Lucero, nagmamadali, BP hit. Lucero. Wild shot, scramble for the ball. Cy Hernal ends up with it. Here comes T-Mac. T-Mac. Good drop pass to CJ Libang on that trail. Ganda naman ng minor ng Lucero. Hindi lang na-shoot yung tira.
Full speed, biglang ship sa underspeed sa primera. Kwarta,
Masisira yung gear mo nun pag full speed is hirap na tira para rito kay T-Mac Ongotan. Shooting over the outstretched arms of his defender. 11 points now for T-Mac. Off Tana. And that was a foul on CJ Libang, hitting him with his right shoulder on the chest.
Medyo may konting contact doon sa side ni Libang.
Grabe yung tira na yun. Parang Isaiah Thomas. Yung original na Isaiah Thomas, ha? Ball screen, sabay pupulak sa harapan ng malaki.
Yes.
Yung momentum papunta sa gilid. So 2 free throws coming up for Wilmer Oftana. So first free throw is good para kay Wilmer. Alam ko Bisaya din to si Wilmer. Taga-South din.
Baka Davao din to siguro.
Davao o Cagayan de Oro. Kala Coach Boy Dacoco, no?
Maraming, talagang yun ang recruitment ground eh. Cebu, Davao, pagdating sa mga good, mga materyales.
Pero ngayon, Coach, basta marunong ka, mahahanap ka ng mga coaches eh. Ongotan, susukatin ng depensa ni Lucero, aatake. 5 tao halos ang nakakumpul sa kanya sa atake. Kamay, and that's an offensive foul. That's an easy call, parang pager. Kitang-kita, yung hawi, nasa dibdib. So it's right there, the extension of the left arm. Especially Kyle Ochavo is a smaller guy. Gets the benefit of the doubt pagka sa mga ganyan. And just taking that contact on his chest.
He will always be in front of you with that step. Lagi naka-square up yan, si Ochavo.
Timeout muna tayo. Mancom representative of the LPU Pirates, Dr. Alan Paul Laico. Ang tawag ko kasi sa kanya, Kuya Alan eh. Nasanay ako eh. Ngayon kailangan siya tawagin Doc Alan, and of course from the UPHS League, Altas, Sir Frank Guzzi. Dami natin mga kasama dito from SBB. Dito ni si Coach Ryan Gregorio, nakita ko eh. Right here, enjoying the action.
Idol ko, Coach Ryan G.
Coach
Ryan Gregorio.
And si Coach Ryan, recruit ako noong high school. Kasi barkada kong sangga yung pamangkin niya, State U eh. Sabi ko, wala naman ako ambag doon eh.
Bihira si Coach Ryan manood dito.
Saka doing due diligence din for SBT and all that. Samantala, stop dito by Arellano. They get the ball here. Ernze. Crossover, dire-diretso. And meeting him at the cup is Jello Loristo. He was trying to ask for the foul, pero wala.
Medyo natutulog yung EAC Generals. From Bagay, Lucero, Loristo, imagine 4 3 balls, walang dumating na tulong. Frustrating sa coach yun.
So mismatch on the post right now. Loristo is being defended by Geronimo. Here comes Bagay. Up and under move. Scramble for the rebound. Here's Ongotan. Ongotan with the behind the back. 1-on-3. Susubok. Mula sa 3. Mintes. And Loristo comes up with the board.
Hindi magtuloy-tuloy. Talaga hindi maka-roll itong Arellano Chiefs.
So Lucero right now, trying to set this table up. 12 seconds sa kanilang shot na. Back on that post. Shoot Bagay. No foul there. Good defense by Omotan. Abiera. Abiera with a full head of steam. Pilita Corrales pa na layup.
Ano, parang wrong footing pa eh, no? Abiera. Alam mo, scorer, he will always find the way para paano niya itira eh.
At hindi umatake ng mga gwardiya ng Arellano. Ito yung atake ni Renzo Abiera. May buwelo. Pilipit.
Oo.
Pilita Corrales. Sinari na ng mga bagets sa the late grade. Banat na banat.
Mahirap yun. Normally, kaliwa ang ginagamit mo dyan.
Para protektado. Pero iba na kasi coach, Eurogame na eh.
Yes.
Talagang off-foot layup.
Off-foot na.
Off-foot yung take-off, tapos square up to the shot.
Ito na yung quality minutes. Shanoda. Binalik na ni coach.
Bagay against that missed free throw. 13-point lead is being held, rather, by EAC. Shanoda still working on that inverted offense with Bagay on the post.
Talagang nagtitrigger ng depensa ng Arellano Chiefs if they do good sa opensa, susundan nila ng solid na depensa.
Nakaka-set up kasi sila.
Oo.
So Josh Devara going in with Nico Kinal, Omandak, Shanoda, and Angeles. So konting kapaan dito sa depensa. Saka konting mga yung bagong palit yung mga wiper ng mga player natin.
Oo. Tsaka talaga meron talagang pambulabog ng
Ball stop. Shanoda. An offensive foul dun sa pihit niya. Interesting call, Interesting call. Kasi on the contact, staying his ground is nakalabas nga yung tarik. Nag-extend siya dun sa cylinder ng defensive player. Ayun. Klaro.
Mataas.
Okay yun pagka sa below the elbow eh. Yung baba. Pihit. Uy, i-review to. Ito rin, coach, ito, curious din ako dito. On post-ups, cross matchup.
Yes.
Usually maliliit di ba?
Yes.
Pag maliit, pinostehan, ang turo kasi sa pihit sa atin, coach, parehas tayo nagtuturo big man, pag pihit, protect the ball.
Correct.
Pag nakaangat yung siko, pinoprotektahan mo yung cylinder mo. Pag mas maliit, kumukontak na ganyan. Ang laki ng size disparity eh. Yung pihit na naka-extend yung elbow, it's right there,
May contact talaga.
Oo. Pero kasi mas mababa.
Tsaka masyadong malayo para niya tinanggap yung bola. If it's
right
deep,
there.
If it's deep down low, isang face up, pwede niya na makuha yun.
Kasi bang-bang all din, lalo na pagka malalaki yung
Review yan.
Offensive lang. Klaro naman. Kasi may height disparity. And pag suswing, may buwelo eh. Parang kakaritin yung mukha. It was just a good big boy move.
Kinlip niya.
Here comes Arellano. 4 minutes and 30 remaining. Down 13. Tony Borromeo.
Yan, balik sa zona.
Abiera with a zone busting 3. Wala. Rebound touch. Nakuha dito ni Shanoda. That's his 5th board of the game. Jacob. Ball screen by Umanda. Angeles. Nakasona rin dito ang Arellano 2-3. Post up by Umanda. Umanda. Sisiksik na naman sa ilalim. Tapingan ng bola. Shanoda. 2 seconds sa shot clock. At napunta ka na rito ng shot clock ang EAC. Good defensive stop by Arellano.
Ganda ng collapse ng Arellano Chiefs doon. Talagang kahit sa post, nandun ang tulong ng mga players. Hindi sila ganun kalayo sa attacker. Ngayon, 2-2-1 zone. Another bagong mukha ito na pinapakita ng EAC General.
Ito, automatic zone buster talaga. Andrew Kabutay is there for one reason and one reason alone to light up from the outside. Pero mintis yung kanyang tira. Devara, nakuha niya yung ball screen. Double high pa yun. Malagkit ang bola sa mga gwardiya ng EAC ngayon, ha? Hindi umiikot.
Foot block.
Kickball. Angeles. Binigyan ng ball screen, umanda. Mismatch sa ilalim. Di nakita. Walang problema. 3-point shot para rito kay Brian Angeles.
Si Angeles, kahit matagal hindi nakapinasok, ready lagi.
Gamer yan, coach. Gamer yung Angeles. Handoff papunta kay Kabutahe. Binabagabag ni Kinal. Nabangga ng bahagya. Out. Natawagan ng foul si Kinal. Binitawan na agad. Pero big to small, ayun. Bahagyang-bahagya. Pero may challenge pa rin. May problema para kay Brian Angeles. Namang ng 16 ang EAC. Back to live action here, 16-point lead by the EAC Generals. Somebody who is very happy right now is Mancom representative of the EAC Generals, Dr. Lorenzo. Right there, enjoying the action. Hindi nakangiti eh. No, nakaswell. And of course, Attorney Jonas Kawachan, Mancom representative of the San Beda University Red Lions. JB Maguliano. Fighter.
Oo. Banger din yan.
Ilocano pa, Jibanger.
Physical na player.
Now, of course, in the Pro Leagues, Axel Doromal also enjoying the action here. Nabanggit nga ni Aaron na they're supporting their squad. Abiera, tough shot. And another board for Jacob Shanoda. Joshua Devara, kinukuliglig, drop pass, Shanoda, susubok, nasa palpal ni Mav Vinoya. Here comes AC, forward pass, Abiera, susubok sa depensa, step to the side, sweeping layup for Renzo Abiera.
Malaking bagay talaga dito si Vinoya eh. Every time, pag nakakuha siya ng good rebound.
Forward pass or big break, no, coach? And an offensive foul on Jacob Shanoda, second one on the quarter for Jacob. Ito yung sinasabi mo, coach eh. Ito muna yung foul para kay Javi talaga.
Oo, yes.
Kaya lang, 4 na yung foul ni Shanoda. Maganda pa naman yung kanyang inilalaro.
Mga yun yung sinasabi na pag na-secure na yung bola, yung may aaga, talagang you really have to be careful.
Kaya bicep curls ka parati. Bicep tsaka triceps.
Tsaka yung gripping sa bola.
Exactly. Samantala, tira sa labas, wala. Para dito kay Ongotan. EAC right now trying to force numbers. Hatakin dito ni Devara. He goes baseline. Pocket pass para kay Bakun! Grabe. Parang gumawa ng halaya. Hinalo eh. Ubi halaya eh. Pero sama ng pagsak dito ni Timak Ongotan.
Oo.
And how about this pass by Devara, rewarding the activity of Bakun. And on that finish, naitukod. Yun, naitukod ni Ongotan yung kanyang kamay. Tapos masama rin yung bagsak niya, hawak din niya yung kanyang paa. Tingnan natin kung natapilok ba on the landing si Timak. Ayan, nakita natin, bumagsak siya eh. And hopefully, he's just okay. Mukhang natapilok nga his right ankle.
Right.
So, Timak, Ongotan.
Hindi labas ba? Baka pagpagin lang ni Ongotan yan. Mukhang ano. Oh.
So, under 2 minutes lying in on the third quarter. Here comes Mav. Mav Vinoya. Crossover. Spin move. Pasa sa ilalim. Tony Borromeo using his offhand, the right hand. Wala. Sabong sa taas, nakuha dito ng EAC. Arambola pa rin. And personal foul will be called on number 25, Tony Borromeo.
Yes.
So 2 free throws coming up from Brian Angeles. This hustle being shown by the bigs of EAC.
Mga tapik-tapik, talagang
Yan importante.
Slight
Really big plays.
Oo.
Second free throw by Brian Angeles. He misses it. Wala pa siyang pinis dito off the field. 11 points, but he missed that second free throw. And too aggressive was Nico Quinal. Ang Arellano naman ang babalik sa free throw line. So too aggressive and just, gripping and hand check.
Sometimes, yung mga sitwasyon din ng mga ganito, Mark, na ano ba ang focus of attention mo rito is yung to make your defense stronger or you put in better scorers to cut the lead.
Yep.
To cut the lead.
Pagka
Medyo
ganyan, lamang
lumalaki.
na gusto mo, single digit, papasok ng fourth para
Oo.
makarun ka.
Oo. Tapos may mga players ka na hindi naman defensive, ang makeup nila, tataw talaga sila para sa opensa. So, mahirap din sa coach, balansehin eh.
Coach combined, balikan natin itong mga numero na to. Combined, 17 plus 31, combined, 48 free throws. Third
Oo.
quarter pa lang tayo.
Yan, malaking bagay yung free throws dito pagka ganyan. Close game, pero ganitong malaki na lamang. Nako, yung time management,
Yan.
very crucial.
Bonus points
I
yan,
mean, they're using the clock very well, itong team ng EAC Generals.
Backdoor para kay Angeles. Backdoor din para kay Quinal. Pero wala ang tira. Kinalawit na rebound dito ni Basti Valencia. They want to trip down on the steal. Here comes Tony. Ikot ang bola. Borromeo. Right hand floater. Sinusubukan talaga niya yung tira na yun, no? Buong season.
Sayang.
Devara right now. Being pressured by Urje. And Campbell si Borromeo. Bakod, atake. Wild drive. And that goes out of bounds. The ball remains with the EAC Generals. So baseline inbound. Down 60, up by 16 rather. Ang EAC. Good inbound play. Sayang. Ando doon na yung tira ni Quinal.
Tsaka, pareho nang nakatalikod, no? Anything but a shot. Yan, balik rin sa zone. Naka 2-3 zone din ng EAC Generals dito.
Tsaka small lineup na rito itong EAC. Basti. Pipihin. Mawala ang bola. Scramble. Hawak dito ng EAC. Last shot time for the Generals. Here's their captain, Nico Quinal. Inagawa ni Basti Valencia. And Renzo Viera makes that shot. And that trims down the lead to just 14 points with 1 quarter to go. EAC up 66-52 against the Arellano Chiefs. Fourth quarter when we return. Defense Minister Coach Jerry Cordillero on call. Kasama rin namin on the sidelines si Aaron D for this matchup between the Arellano Chiefs and the EAC Generals. As it stands, EAC leads by 14, powered by that big second quarter, plus 10 sila doon.
Mark, ito na yung time para humabol ang Arellano Chiefs. Medyo ginamit na rin ni Coach Gerson yung mga mga third group.
Pero yung mga third group niya, nagpe-perform din dito, Coach.
Bakod, yes.
Humahaba yung rotation niya.
Devara, di ba?
Yung Bakod, naka-end one pa.
Yes, okay. Angeles ka pa na potent scorer din.
Devara, Angeles with a shot fake. Aatake ng matiin sa ilalim. Fishing expedition. Nakakuha ng 2 points.
Tsaka tinamaan na, nabangga na. Naiporma pa yung tira.
Laking bagay din lumaki katawan nito, Coach. Dati, papayat-payat yan. Ngayon, nagkalaman na. Sipag din siguro mag-weights itong batang to.
Yes, at saka
Andrew Cabotaje. 1, 2, 3 mo pa.
Di pa talo Arellano Chiefs dito. Pumapalag pa.
5 points for Anjord. 40% from the field. First three-pointer of the ball game para sa kanya. Post up. Omandak. They've been trying to really attack this on the post. Grabe naman yung excuse me na galaw ni Angeles. Buti na lang. May safety ball. May Hernal na sasalubong.
Talaga hahabulin ka ni Hernal. Mga ganyang layday at tira.
Ito dati yung mga tira ganyan ni Angeles. Nawawala dahil hindi siya ganun lakas. Ngayon, kaya na niya tumanggap ng contact. Samantala, si Kabutahe naman. Carrying a basket yan. Ganda nung galaw. Pero Hernal, waiting on the wings.
Kitang-kita.
Lucero, trying to size up the defense. They were trying to open up a look on the corner for their shooter, Wilmer Oftana.
Malaking bagay yung mga guards dyan. You have to tell your players, yung oras, time, score.
Time score management, tsaka
Yes.
communication. Lalo na, ang lakas ng tambol.
Yes.
Good Viper screen by Sai Hernal. But the scramble here.
It's the hustle.
Ping pong. Kyle Chavo.
Tsaka matindi yung zona. Zona ng EAC Generals. Ang hirap pasukin.
Kabutahe for 3. Wala. Rebound dito, Oftana. Tapikan ng bola. Last touch should be Anjord Kabutahe.
Tsaka pulido yung transition offense ni Coach
Ito yung wiper screen, Coach. Yung back pick.
Gerson.
Yan yung tinatawag natin na wiper. Kasi galing sa baba, paakyat, back screen. Kaya wiper po ang tawag.
Yes.
Importante yan at ito naman yung hustle points ng EAC. Pag mga ganyan, yung galing sa baba, tatakbo, pabalik, parang wiper ng kotse. Kaya wiper screen ang tawag.
Ang hirap din po pressure sa end ng Arellano Chiefs pag ganito kakukulit ang gwardya ng EAC Generals.
And Lucero with that incursion, wala. 15-point deficit being faced by Arellano. Ongotan for 3.
Bumalik si Ongotan.
Pagpag lang nga, Coach.
Pinagpag lang.
Baka may bote ng soft drinks doon, inikot-ikot lang yung paa.
Hindi, Artica. Nilagyan ng Artica.
Samantala, Oftana, kasado at sigurado mula sa labas. Asintado for his second triple of the ball game.
Pero pinapo-pull back na ni Coach Cabintes yung mga player.
So Angeles in transition. Lefty layup goes in for Brian Angeles, and that opens up an opportunity to call for time by Arellano, facing the biggest lead of the ball game. Gotta check myself before I wreck myself. Yan, ice cube tayo ngayon, Coach. 20-point lead pala to para sa Arellano after that last finish by EAC in transition. 75-55 ang ating halftime, ang ating quarter score right now. So, pasa natin kay Aaron.
Coach Chico Manabat knows that success starts from within, and that means protecting the team score. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung labas. Cut out all outside forces and just focus on what is within. Yan ang naging utos ni Coach Chico Manabat. A message about valuing what's real inside the group over outside noise. Meanwhile, T-Mac Ongotan appeared visibly frustrated as Team PT Miguel de Guzman evaluated his right ankle in the locker room. With further test and mobility exercises, it seems like Ongotan has been cleared to return to this ball game, and he is in the ball game, in fact. In a season where unity could be the difference between contenders and pretenders, the Chiefs are learning to protect each other, win what might just be one of their biggest strengths after being down big time in this fourth quarter. Coach Hammer and Coach Jerry.
Maraming salamat, Aaron. Ganun talaga. Pagpag lang kasi gusto mo manalo. And babalikan natin Wala ka ng rebounds dito. One time mo
Yes.
lang makakalaban tong team na to. So parang -2.
Yes, oh.
+2, -2 ang laban dito ngayon.
Yes, so ano lang, kaya yan. It has to start somewhere.
Yep.
It's either depensa or offensa. Hindi ka man makashoot. Depensa, one stop at a time. You know, cut the lead.
Ito maganda to ha. Si Lucero at saka tong si number 93 official natin are having a conversation regarding dun sa kanina. Yung sa scramble, hindi tinawagan ng foul. Kasi parehas na players going for the ball.
Yes.
EAC right now comfortably leading by 18 points. Pero mahaba pa to, 7 minuto pa to in our 4th quarter. So dito papasok yung lalim ng mga gwardya ng EAC. Veterano, steady lang. Ubusin lang natin ang oras.
Mark Comisan, ang tanong sa sarili, with those two type of guards na antitibay magbaba ng bola, may pressure ka ba ba? Diba?
Tsaka ito, lamang ka ng 18. Dadaganan mo ba ng dadaganan? O tamang relax mo muna. Execute tayo. Pero ito yung huling incursion ni Aldio Lucero. May foul na dun sa pagtira. Tinamaan. Out of play na to nung paghampas. So I think there would be no call on that. Interesting. Yun yung tapos na natawag na yung foul. Tapos parang idiniretso lang ni Lucero yung tira.
Sa
Pag-challenge ni Hernal, parang wala na dapat yun.
nabagsakan.
Nabagsakan na Sigo.
Meron talaga, downward talaga yun, pababa yun. Hindi
Pero
naman
coach,
pwedeng
kasi
pagkano mo. Di ba?
Tapos na, itawag na yung foul. Wala nang ang continuation yun eh. Pero nag-swing and nag-swipe. So it's here. Yun yung foul. Dinerecho niya. Si Hernal trying to block. Yun yung tama. So tingnan natin kung bibigyan pa to. Pero I think this would be no call kasi continuation lang.
Di ba pwede, hindi sadya.
Hindi sadya kasi tumira ka pa eh. Natawag na yung foul eh. Tapos na yung playing sequence.
Wala,
So yun.
tsaka wala namang bumablock ng pataas. Di ba? Normally, lahat puro downward ng na action.
Good call or good non-call by our officials because that was pero tinamaan nga.
Ito na. Tumindi na. Mark, 3 gwardya na. Pinasok ni Coach Gerson. Lucero, Ochavo, Villarente.
But turnover here. Sinasabi nga ni Lucero, tingnan din, steady lang. Steady lang. Lamang tayo ng 18. Steady lang. So tingnan natin if this is a breakaway foul. This was an advantage foul. So dito yung sundot. Titignan natin kung may tao na ba sa kabila. Kasi, ayan, clearly, nauna si Anjord. Pwede siyang play for ball. Pwedeng in-impede yung movement. So we'll see. So ito yung mga ayaw mong ibigay.
Advantage yun.
Advantage kasi 2 free throws, ball possession, nakapatay yung oras, dagdag sa team fouls.
Pwede mo na i-let go yan. You know, with that lead.
Tapos laro ka na lang ulit. Laruin mo. Kasi bad pass na eh. Bad entry.
Yes. Alam mo minsan, yung...
Parang kailangan ko pa ng kape. Ang taas ng
energy.
Ang taas ng energy nitong dalawang team.
Pag 3 gwardya ba naman, nakaload ng ganyan. Hindi, walang slow, slow muscle.
For fast twitch. Yan. Kasama ko, coach. Talagang ginagamitan mo ko ng Ayan, Anspo. Anspo ang tinawag dito.
Good call.
Kay Aldio Lucero. Dahil nga merong advantage na kung nasundot ni Anjord Kabutahe yung bola, he could have gone for a layup here.
Meron.
Ito pinapakita nga ni...
Lucero. Sobrang bilis ng mga guards. Normal sa kanila kasi yung quick hands, no?
Pero kasi rule of the book sa FIBA, it's an advantage. Pag nauna na yung defensive player and then in-impede mo, it might be called as a sportsmanlike foul.
Medyo slight, medyo 50-50 yun eh.
Bang-bang.
No, medyo...
Pero kasi nung ni-review, walang tao sa kabila. Wala pa naka-safety. Kabotahe. Ochavo on the board. So Lucero just trying to calm down the troops. They're leading by 16. Hindi nila kailangan magmadali dito. Lucero playing under control. Dribbles it. Pass it to Ochavo. Kick out. Corner 3 for Villarente. And Pangkot again. Garbage baskets.
Yan ang masakit. You know, naghahabol ka na, makukuha na ka pa ng third group. Mga part ng third group na player ng EAC Generals like Bakod na...
9 points na si Bakod, if I'm not mistaken.
Veteran na rin yan. Ilalakad na lang na ilalakad dito ng EAC Generals.
Deo Lucero, pasa na naman sa ilalim kay Bakod, napayungan. So Bakod right now with 7 points. EJ Castillo getting inserted in the game. EAC up by 18, baseline inbound. Castillo with a midi.
Kahit third group, umi-score pa rin eh.
And a turnover here for Arellano, unraveling ang opensa ng Arellano, especially to start off the second half. Villarente with a Pinoy step. 10 beats lang. So foul here by Wilmer of Tana. Sa konting balasan ng tao. Kyle Chavo out, Joshua Tolentino in. Parang security agency itong EAC. Dahil gwardya.
Oo.
Ay sa'yo, coach, parang mga fire hydrant to. Si Lucero lang yung naiiba.
Siyempre, pagkadating sa mga ganyang pressure situations, mga gwardya, mga matitibay dyan. Pagdating sa...
Castillo ngayon na nagdadala ng bola. Binabagabag ng depensa ni Kabutahe. Balik kay Castillo. Castillo. Kakalmahin ang kanilang opensa. At natabigan ni Timac Ongotan. Ongotan. Pasa sa ilalim. Hernal with the finish. Good recognition. Yes. Down to 18.
Pwede ba? Malayo pa yan. Marami tayong kwento na inahabol, ha?
Dami niyan.
Down by 18.
Villarente against Hernal. Handoff. Castillo against Hernal. Trying to go ISO. Pero Hernal, ang lagkit ng depensa. Parang first date.
Ayun.
Nakakuha ng stop dito. Ongotan. Getting in balance and making that field goal.
Parang hindi na-sprain. Ongotan, no? Grabe yung sprint na yun, ha? Pero...
medyo nararamdaman pa rin niya yung kanyang paa. So, labang dito ng 16. 16-point lead for EAC. So Timac Ongotan to Sai Hernal. That was the first basket. And then followed up by a transition incursion by Timac Ongotan. Good balance for Timac.
Nakalimutan niya, may spray yung kanan niya. Hindi Ongotan.
Laro lang ng laro.
Pero ganyan ang athlete, ganyan ang player.
Bukas na masakit yan.
Bukas na.
Bukas na.
Oo.
Tsaka bata pa, di pa hihintayin.
Oo, wala. Kagat labi na.
Yan.
Aray, medyo masakit. Kinakagat-kagat. Meron ng parang langgam.
Yelo na lang yan bukas.
Oo. Hirap pressure.
Tsaka sayang opportunity.
Tsaka puro lateral movement ang ginagawa niya. Siyempre, mahirap sa defender.
Tsaka hindi lang siya opensa, depensa din naman din Samantala, Wilmer Oftana. Pinaunlakan tayo ng isa pa 3-point shot of that shot fake.
Hindi nagsasawa sa 3 points si EAC General.
And a turnover here by Arellano. And how about this pick and pop? Shot fake. One dribble. Oh, set up lang natin yung paa. Kasado, sigurado, asintado.
Yes.
Shooter.
Follow through, nandun. Release.
So Villarente ngayon, they're up by 19. Pressure dito ang Arellano, naagaw na nila ang bola. Here comes Tony Borromeo, Anthony. Binabagabag ni Villarente. Abiera, nagmamadali.
Oy.
Basket is good for 3 for Renzo Abiera.
Ganda nun. Yun. Yan ang hustle. Ongotan.
Effort, please. Ito muna yung 3-point shot off a dribble hando.
Hindi pwedeng puro, if you wanna beat EAC General, hindi na pwedeng puro opensa Kailangan i-depensa ka pa rin talaga. To keep it close, ang score.
So, mintis na naman dito Arellano. So, this was the hustle play of Timac Ongotan and not stopping, and they force a turnover here.
Parang ginawang cone ni Villarente yun, ano?
Oo, traffic cones.
Oo.
Push talaga. Jetro Bakod putting in a lot of work today. Gotta commend him and Shanoda. Shanoda first half, Bakod second half. 18 points yung dalawa combined, ha?
Yes.
18 points, 8 rebounds.
Grabe magtiwala si Coach Gerson sa mga player niya. Kahit third group ka, ready ka pag ginamit.
They're shock troopers talaga, mga shock troopers. So up 16 EAC. Postanes. Nakakuha ng guard ball screen. Isolation against Kabutahe. Konting shake. Postanes. Drop pass. Midi. Specialty of the house.
Ganda.
Ops, teka lang. Merong sub dito. Ito po na yung shake ni Postanes. And good recognition na tumama na strong side help. Tumama na ng isang mid-range yung Castillo. You want the young guy to have some more confidence. You gotta hit him on those spots that he can be very effective.
Yes, unselfish play. Gandang karakter sa bata yan.
Ay, yun yung mga kailangan mo sa mga role player.
Sharing the ball.
Alam mo kung ano yung role mo sa team. Yung scorer mo, kailangan magkakumpiyansa. Bigyan mo ng bigyan.
May libre, may mas libre. Doon tayo sa mas libre.
Selflessness. Pull up, kabotahe, Blanco. Oh, EAC will just burn off time here. And you gotta tip your hat to the whole team for having a bounce-back game against one of the dark horses here in the NCAA. Because if you're playing against Arellano, you don't know what you would get from them.
Yes.
Performance-wise, but effort-wise, you know that it's 110%.
Yes, lagi parang ganyan.
Renzo Abiera still not yet done here. With special shout out to one of our friends, CJ Cadwa.
Uy, CJ Cadwa ng Lyceum.
Nang ano, EAC coach.
EAC.
CJ Cadwa, one of the most fun and articulate guys that we have here. Fun hang. CJ, hope you're doing well. And I think you're back home. Enjoy coaching there and enjoy finding a bigger purpose. God bless you, brother. So ito ngayon si Josh Tolentino trying to shake off the defense of Anthony Borromeo. Bailout shot, wala. Rebound dito, Ernze. Tony with the board. Importante pa rin sila makakuha ng baskets dahil quotient system tayo dito.
Doon pa rin.
And Piera. 5 quick points, make that 7 quick points for him. Oh, ball hogging violation. Quick 5-second call.
Yeah, yan medyo he has to work on that, si Castillo.
Bata pa to si
Yes.
EJ. Oh, I'm not excusing it as we see a triple by Renzo Abiera. Pero reps yan, coach eh. Pagka ikaw yung focal point, masasanay at masasanay ka eh.
Oo.
At nagbigay pa siya dito ng foul. 17 seconds remaining in our ball game. Kasi coach, high upside talaga itong si Castillo. And that's part of being a freshman eh. Tapos binigyan ka agad ng stage. And everybody was expecting him to really be a focal point ng EAC. Dahil summer leagues, ang ganda na nilalaro niya. Iba pag sila eh. Nag-game planan ka na, nag-iwan ka ng mga resibo.
Yes.
Isi-scheme ka. Now, your 5 years is your kailangan steep learning curve. Matuto ka na second year, di ka pwede mag-sophomore slump. Dire-diretso, build on. Hindi naman yan finished product eh.
Oo. Pero yan, mga birthing pains.
Yan.
Of a rookie.
Yan.
Talagang aabutin mo lahat yan. Yung palo, hampas, taga,
Cross screen.
patid. Para ka nagtitinikling dyan.
Yan.
Pero ano talaga yan, lahat naman aabutin dyan.
Exactly. Pero titibay. Kasi maganda eh, mataas yung floor niya eh. High ceiling, high floor itong si EJ Castillo eh.
Mataas na guard. I'm sure si Coach Gelson, he has big plans for that kid. Laking plano niya dyan. Oo.
Pero maganda ang bounce back dito ng EAC. The final score won't be reflecting their effort throughout the game because they were in control, especially in the second half, with effort plays and just timely execution for EAC.
Oy.
Another turnover here.
Backcourt violation.
8 seconds, coach.
Oh, yes. So nakikita nila eh. If they do it, talagang na-execute naman ng Arellano Chiefs yung pressure eh. It's just that they have to do it consistently. Hindi pwedeng selective. Especially pag naghahabol ka.
So 5.1 seconds remaining on the game clock. We're just waiting for the final score. And Abiera tries to shoot one more, and that does it for our first match. 84-73. A win. Good bounce back win by the EAC Generals, led by the bounce back game of Wilmar Oftana, ang napili nating best player of the game. 19 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals, 1 block.
Solid ang laro ni Wilmar Oftana. Talagang ito naman to, mga key pieces ito ng EAC Generals.
Parang Pansit Canton na pa punong-puno yung sahog ng kanyang performance. Ngayon, nagugutom na ako, merienda na kasi coach, ganda ng nilaro ng EAC. And high octane game for all of us here. 11-point win for EAC again, 84-73. And we're just about ready to wrap this game up. Again, maraming salamat sa mga tumutok sa atin. This is our first game. As we hear both schools singing their school hymns.